I know the sides of your hair are a big deal, and if you're somebody who likes short hair, having hair this long on the sides may drive you absolutely crazy, or this may be actually really short for you. So what is the best length really to have on the sides and the back of your head? Honestly, it comes down to your personal preference and also the hairstyle that you are wearing. So nowadays, it's actually a bit more acceptable, right? And not even just now, but like it's always been okay to have your hair maybe a number 4 guard on the sides, right? Or a number 3 guard, or even a 5 guard that you can, lift it out with your fingers like this. Why? Because hairstyles nowadays are a lot more textured, a lot more modern, that everything doesn't have to be skin tight like my hair, right? And faded into the top. So if you are somebody who wants to wear a hairstyle that you can have a bit more, texture and have it more balanced and not look so harsh on the sides, then go about it and give it a try. You may actually like how you have a bit more texture into here, how you feel like you have some more hair on your head. And again, this is for somebody who wants to try something new. If you're used to getting, your hair really short on the sides, but you feel like you have 2 different types of haircuts, even though it's blended, it still feels like it's disconnected. Try letting it grow in a bit longer. Here is an example of a haircut, right, that has the hair really, really short on the sides. Now, again, you may have to do it for work or for your career, and that's totally fine. I get that. This is more for the everyday person who is just trying out different hairstyles. So you can see it looks a lot more narrow and tapered down through here, but, do you like that type of look, right? Are you somebody who's been wearing your hair that short on the sides for quite some time, and now you're like, you know what? I want to try something a bit different. I want to have a little more length throughout here so I can have some more, style to it. Now, here is something where you see this haircut. You actually should have more hair throughout the sides here because of the fact that you got some length throughout the top, and you want the haircut to be balanced. If this was a skin fade into this, would it be the end of the world? No. However, it just would not look balanced enough unless you're doing it for such a specific reason that this, to me, looks a lot more balanced and the shape looks great as opposed to this being skin tight. And, so maybe you rock a number 4 guard throughout the sides and the back end through here, all right? There's nothing wrong with that. You may have to go in and get it trimmed, a bit more often, but at the same time, here I am, but at the same time, you may like it. Now here's an example of the hair being much longer throughout the sides here, all right, long enough that you can tuck the whole style back. I mean, this thing is really slick back also, so hold on, don't go anywhere. You have to see this. You have to see this. This style, I applied this product probably a week ago. This is the new Crafted Matte Pomade. And let me tell you, this product is so incredible. The smell on it is, oh my God, it's like, I'm obsessed with how good the fragrance is on it. But look how amazing this looks. I mean, this holds it in place. It's great for that kind of next day hair. If you want something to really, really tame your thick hair, right? You want to have kind of a natural finish to it. And it really is great for people with thick hair who just want to control it, right? Without it being greasy, without it being like oily. This is really such a unique matte pomade, and it was really, we put a lot of work into it. But here's a perfect example. If you want to wear your hair, back, you want to slick it back with the sides, you need to have the sides longer. So what's the perfect length for the sides? It really comes down to the hairstyle that you have and that you want. So talk to your professional, maybe discuss trying something out. Again, if you grow the sides a bit longer, like this, you may have to go back in a bit sooner to have it trimmed down, but you may like it, okay? So please let me know in the comments below if this is something you have tried, if this is something that you are gonna try, and I'd love to hear your feedback. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.